I know the last couple of years have been a little challenging in the economy and real estate. And most people know, when life throws you lemons, you make lemonade. But the last couple of years, we've been throwing some limes. So I said, why not grab some tequila, make some margaritas, have a party, and let's move forward.
I couldn't be more excited to be part of this team in our new office.
It's amazing. I think it's going to change the whole game.
I love it. I'm so excited. I'm so happy that we have it here. The kitchen, everything looks so pretty. I'm so excited.
These people are amazing. Their ideas, their thoughts, their progress, it's just 100% unbelievable.
Everybody's gonna love it here.
I think it is absolutely fabulous.
I love it. It's beautiful. You should all be here.
Looks beautiful.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks,
Very well done. Yeah. Thanks for inviting me.
That's one of the big things about what we do. We want to help you build wealth in real estate. That's our number one goal, empowering human potential by providing the pathway to building wealth in real estate. We're super excited and we just can't wait to share it with everyone.